Hey y'all, welcome to Miss Clark's chemistry class. I've been teaching chemistry for over 20 years. I am here to help you feel much better about the lesson you just got in class. The lesson I'm going to talk about today, writing molecular compounds. If this is the video you've been looking for, go ahead and press the like button. If you're looking for different tutorials about naming or writing compounds, I have everything you need in my description below. Go check out those links. So now I'm going to need you to go get your periodic table, go get your notes, get something to write with, and let's get started. Okay, so let's write the formulas for molecular compounds. Let's remember about molecular compounds. Molecular compounds are compounds held together with covalent bonds. And covalent bonds are always bonds between two nonmetals. So since we're talking about molecular compounds, nonmetals, we're going to use prefixes. And let's also remember, most of the time in chemistry, we don't use ones. So if there's no prefix in the name, that's going to tell you that you only have one of those. Let's do some examples. Since we're talking about molecular compounds, we need to remember these prefixes. 1 is mono, 2 is di, tri means 3, tetra is 4, penta is 5, hexa is 6, hepta is 7, octa is 8, nona is 9, deca is 10. I'm really hoping that most of these prefixes feel very familiar from math, geometry, different shapes that we would name. You know, an octagon has 8 sides, a pentagon has 5 sides, a hectagon has 6 sides, a triangle has 3 sides. We know most of these. Here's our first example. Dicarbon tetrahydride. And let's remember that di, that means 2, tetra means 4, and so this compound would be C2H4, hydride. Let's look at another example. Dihydrogen monoxide. That prefix di means 2, mono means 1, hydrogen, there's 2 hydrogens, there's 1 oxygen. Dihydrogen monoxide, that's the true chemical name for water, H2O. Let's look at one last example. Tetraarsenic decoxide. Now here we do have 2 vowels right beside each other. Tetraarsenic. Because if we tried to say tetraarsenic, that would just feel really weird. There's really not a good steadfast rule for putting these prefixes on. I always say what sounds the best is probably the right answer. So tetra is 4, deca is 10. So we have AS4, 4 arsenic, and 10 oxygen, decoxide. You've got this, right? Writing molecular problems, a breeze. If you found this helpful, make sure and share this with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye y'all.